Hi, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle. Today I have something really great to show you guys. I have a premium set of MRS exhausts from Japan. These are really nice. They fit great, great quality chrome. They're a nice polished chrome finish, handmade in Japan. In the link to this video or description, you'll find the video and you can watch the manufacturing process in Japan. It's really neat to be able to see that. And we're offering these today. We're doing an inventory reduction sale, so these are going to be going for a pretty good deal. They're by far the best you can buy for your Z1 or KZ900A. They will fit other motorcycles also, but they're correct for your Z1 and KZ900A. 73 to technically 77, they had some KZ900As, but they will fit others, like I said. They're definitely not the cheapest set you can buy, but if you want to buy a set and you want to bolt them on and you want no problems, you're looking at it right here. These are, I can't say enough good things about these. I'm really happy we were able to source something like this. Keep an eye out for these. I don't think they're going to last very long, but man, these are, if you got your bike and you want to step it up, or you want to go back to your stock nice original sound, your nice everyday rider, or nice restoration, either or, these are it for sure. So we'll show you some pictures of them on a bike, and we're going to put them on a nice 73 Z1 that we're doing right now. It's actually just going to be a nice everyday rider, and we'll show you how it sounds, show you how they look, show you how they fit, and you can even see inside just the quality of them. My fingerprints are on them now, which I feel bad about, but even look inside how nice they are. No dimples, divots, scratches, nothing. I mean, baffles are really nice. You can just tell they're just even feeling just nice, very nice. These exhausts do come with these two clamps, but that's all they come with. For sale separately, I do have the 6mm if you have a 900 head. So this is Z1 KZ900 with new copper exhaust gaskets. I have these for sale separately. I also have the 8mm. Gaskets are the same. The only difference is you got the lock washers and nuts that are 8mm instead of 6 that are 900. I do have these available separately also, if you decided you want another set. And also I wanted to highlight this hardware in these two exhaust kits. They're American made, they're Johnny's brand, exclusively for us here in USA. We really like trying to support local if we can also. These are also Johnny's, the exhaust bolts that go through. So I have these also, they're really nice, highest quality chrome. These are also made in USA, exclusively Johnny's. And muffler bushings I also have as well. So when you go to put them together, you got these also. So these are all available separately upon request, but we do have everything to be ready to install them for your showroom or everyday rider. We have the exhaust holders and collars available separately also for also 1000 or 900, depending if you're 6 or 8mm stud. So let me know what you need. We're happy to help you as best as we can to get you back on the road. All right, so we told you we'd get a set on a bike so you can hear them in person. We have a beautiful 73 Z1 that's been sleeping. We don't have the tank on it right now, so we're just getting her all fired up. Our mechanic just went through the motor, helo. And man, you can see how nice it fits, how nice it looks. And we're gonna show you how nice it sounds, but if you look at everything, it's just like it should be. Sounds just like it should. Just like factory. They look perfect. So. What she sounds like, what she looks like. So we'll be offering these free shipping to Vintage Days this year. So let us know if he wants to bring you a couple sets. You can have them down there for sure. Or if you want to take a look at them in person at Vintage Days, you're more than welcome. Local pickup is available at our shop. If you're somewhat local and you'd rather not ship them, that's more than fine. So we'll show you some more pictures here soon, but it's pretty hard to contain the excitement on these, so should be good. Thanks for watching.